There are 4 ways that I know how to add in Excel. First, the lazy highlight method. If you highlight any group of numbers in Excel, in the bottom right corner, it's going to show you the sum. This can be highlighted numbers in a column. This can be highlighted numbers in a row. This could be highlighting random numbers. Anything works. Up next, we got the calculator method. Go ahead and click the cell that you want the total to appear in. Type enter in the first cell that you want added. The plus sign and any other cells that you want to add. Go ahead and click enter and bam, you have become a human calculator. All right, now we're bringing out the big guns. The third way to add things is the sum function. Select the cell that you want the total to appear in and type equals sum and then an open parentheses. From here, you've got 3 options. First, you can click a cell, add a comma, click another cell, add a comma, and so on until you've got all the cells that you want to add selected. 2, using a colon, you can have Excel highlight the total area between the 2 points that you specify. Or 3, you can select an entire column by typing the column letter with no cell number, add a colon, and then type that same column letter again. This is going to select the entire column for you. Whatever way you choose, close the parentheses and click enter and the total will appear. This is the one that separates the boys from the men. Let's just say that I've got a list of clothing and food that I've sold. And let's just say that I want to know the sum of just one or the other. That's when you're going to use the sum if. Click on the cell that you want the total to appear and type equals sum if. Now, when you do this, you're going to notice that range, criteria, and sum range appear. You may also notice that this makes no sense, so let's break it down. Range is the total area, meaning what you want to add and what you want Excel to look for. Criteria is only the area that you want Excel to exclude from. And for sum range, select only the area that you want Excel to add the values from. Once complete, go ahead and close those parentheses, hit enter, and your total will appear. Thanks for watching. This is my In a Nutshell series, which means I go over topics very quickly for an audience with some familiarity with Excel. If you're looking for a slower and probably, frankly, a better explanation on this topic, make sure you check out my deep dive videos where I'm going to be covering the same topics a little bit more in depth, a little bit more slowly. That's all I got. Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.